Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Aldo Al-Fahki NPM 234110668 kelas MNJ 23A. Business Law, Sea Transportation in Business Activities. Introduction. Sea transportation plays a vital role in international trade and business activities. Understanding the legal framework governing sea transportation is essential for businesses involved in shipping goods across borders. This material explores the key aspects of business law as it pertains to sea transportation. 1. Overview of sea transportation. Sea transportation involves the movement of goods and people over water. It is a cost-effective method for transporting large quantities of goods and is crucial for global trade. The primary modes of sea transportation include container shipping, the use of intermodal containers to transport goods. Bulk shipping, transporting large volumes of unpackaged commodities like oil, grains, and minerals. Roll-on roll-off, RoRo, used for vehicles and heavy equipment. 2. Legal framework governing sea transportation. The legal framework for sea transportation includes international conventions, national laws, and regulations. Key legal instruments include 2.1. International conventions. The Hague Rules, 1924, established minimum standards for carrier liability and rights. The Hague Visby Rules, 1968, updated the Hague Rules to include modern shipping practices. The Hamburg Rules, 1978, provided a more carrier-friendly approach, emphasizing the rights of shippers. The Rotterdam Rules, 2008, aimed to create a comprehensive legal framework for international transport. 2.2. National laws. Countries have their own maritime laws that govern shipping activities within their jurisdictions. These laws often incorporate international conventions and add specific provisions relevant to domestic operations. 2.3. Admiralty Law. This branch of law governs nautical issues and private maritime disputes. It includes regulations on shipping contracts, marine insurance, and maritime liens. 3. Contracts in sea transportation. Contracts are fundamental in sea transportation, covering various aspects such as 3.1. Charter parties. Agreements between shipowners and charterers for the hire of a vessel. Types include time charter, the charterer pays for the use of the ship for a specified period. Voyage charter, the charterer pays for the shipment of goods from one port to another. 3.2. Bill of lading. A crucial document that serves as a receipt for goods and a contract of carriage. It outlines the responsibilities of the carrier and the rights of the shipper. 3.3. Freight forwarding agreements. Contracts with freight forwarders who arrange the transport of goods, ensuring they comply with legal regulations and shipping requirements. 4. Liability and insurance. Understanding liability in sea transportation is vital for businesses. Key aspects include 4.1. Carrier liability. Carriers may be held liable for loss or damage to goods during transit, subject to limitations set by international conventions. 4.2. Marine insurance. Insurance policies specifically designate for cargo transport by sea. Key types include hull insurance, covers damage to the ship. Cargo insurance, protects against loss or damage to goods being transported. 5. Regulatory compliance. Businesses involved in sea transportation must comply with various regulations, including 5.1. Customs regulations. Ensuring that all goods transported across borders meet the customs requirements of the countries involved. 5.2. Environmental regulations. Adhering to international and national laws aimed at protecting the marine environment, such as the MARPOL Convention. 5.3. Safety regulations. Compliance with safety standards set by